Ever dreamed of starting your own business but have no clue where to begin? Why not try a dog walking business? It's perfect for beginners, and we've got an easy step-by-step guide to help you start your own dog walking business. But why is dog walking such a great idea? First of all, it's super beginner friendly. You don't need any certifications or professional skills to start, which is great if you're just diving into the world of business. And don't even worry about startup costs. Actually, they're totally optional. Unlike other businesses, you don't need to invest in stock or in expensive marketing campaigns. Another cool thing is the networking potential. Sure, you might not want to walk dogs forever, but while you're doing it, you'll meet a ton of people. Who knows, some new opportunities could pop up along the way. And the best part? Flexibility. If you're a student or just looking to make some extra cash, this business is perfect for you. You're not stuck to a strict schedule, so you can work when it suits you. While dog walking sounds like the perfect opportunity, especially for beginners, there are a few downsides you should be aware of. First off, weather can be a big issue. Rain, snow, or extreme heat. No matter what, you'll still need to give your clients a great service, even when the weather's less than ideal. Also, since dog walking doesn't require any certification, anyone can start their own business, which means a lot of competition. Plus, some dog owners prefer to walk their dogs themselves, so you may not be able to charge high prices for your services. If you're thinking of taking this seriously as a business, scalability could be a challenge. There are only so many dogs in your neighborhood, and you might run out of clients quicker than you think. Lastly, you'll be working with living animals, which comes with real responsibility. If anything happens to a dog while it's in your care, you'll be the one held accountable. So it's important to understand the risks involved. When it comes to the legal side of things, we highly recommend making your business official. If you are in the US, you can learn more with our free guide on how to register your business in every state. Just click the link in the description below to learn more. Now it's time to show off your services, and you'll need a website for that. IKOL is a great choice for dog walking businesses because it's easy and quick to set up. Just go to ikol.com and click Get Started. Choose Service and search for Pet Care. Here you can pick which services you want to show on your site, and then click Continue. Fill out the other details and your website will be ready. And this is how your website looks. It's definitely more than enough to run a successful dog walking business, but if you want to customize it more, check out the video linked in the top right corner of your screen. From your IKOL website, your clients will be able to send you a quick quotation about a given service, so you can send them more details about it. All of that will be saved in a dedicated tab in your website's dashboard. Your clients can even book one of your services completely online, without a need to calling or messaging you, saving both sides a lot of time. All your client needs to do is to choose a preferred time slot and fill out the rest of the contact information to book a service. After that, a task with information provided by your client will be visible on your calendar. You can't possibly be available to answer all of your customer queries 24/7, but your built-in AI chat can. It can help your clients with any questions and will even suggest follow-up questions to get your website visitors more engaged. IKOL provides everything you need to run your business smoothly, from online payments to email marketing tools, all at a great price. Check out our tutorial playlist to learn more on how to use IKOL website. Now that your website is live, it's time to spread the word about your dog walking services. You can start by going door to door in your neighborhood to let people know what you offer. Handing out business cards can also make it easier for them to contact you. Social media is a great way to reach more people. Use platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok to share updates, photos, and special offers to attract new clients. Local advertising is also important. Since dog walking is a local service, try placing ads in community magazines or newspapers, putting up posters, or handing out flyers in your area. Finally, use referrals to your advantage. Set up a referral program where current customers can get a discount or a free service for every new client they bring in. This helps spread the word and brings in more customers through their recommendations. Overall, if you've always wanted to start your own business, dog walking is a great way to begin. It's low risk and offers plenty of chances for growth. So why wait? Start your dog walking business today, and good luck. IKOL, AI for Business.